GitLab CI is an integrated continuous integration system built into the GitLab platform. It automates the process of building, testing, and deploying software applications to improve development workflows. The platform uses pipelines to define sequences of jobs, with runners executing them on various environments. It provides a full DevOps experience, including stages for different phases of software development and deployment environments to manage where code is released. GitLab CI is a continuous integration system that is fully integrated within the GitLab environment. It automates software builds, testing, and deployments to save time and reduce errors. Pipelines are defined using a file called gitlab-ci.yml, which is a configuration file written in the YAML format. GitLab runners are responsible for running the jobs, and they can be configured on different types of platforms, making the process adaptable and scalable. A basic GitLab CI pipeline consists of stages such as build, test, and deploy. Each stage contains jobs that run scripts or commands. The pipeline is configured in the .gitlab-ci.yml file using keywords like stages to define the order of execution. Jobs specify the stage they belong to, and the script section holds the commands that the runner will execute. Additionally, an image can be specified for the environment in which the jobs will run, and variables can be defined to customize the pipeline. An example job definition includes specifying the stage, such as test, and the commands to execute, like running automated tests using PyTest. Jobs can be restricted to run only on certain branches, such as the main branch. GitLab runners are agents that pick up jobs from the pipeline and execute them. They can be shared among many projects or specific to a single project. Runners support different execution environments including Docker containers, shell scripts, and virtual machines, allowing parallel and distributed continuous integration. GitLab CI pipelines are divided into stages to organize the continuous integration process. The build stage compiles code and prepares artifacts, which are the files produced after building. The test stage runs automated tests to validate the code quality and functionality. The deploy stage pushes the tested code to staging or production environments to release the software. Additional optional stages may include review applications, security scanning, and notifications to enhance the pipeline's capabilities. Using GitLab CI pipelines automates the testing and deployment process, which speeds up the delivery of software. It ensures high code quality by running tests and review stages before deployment. The pipeline uses runners to create consistent environments, reducing errors caused by differences between developer machines and production. Because GitLab CI is integrated with the GitLab platform, it provides a seamless DevOps workflow that connects coding, testing, and deployment in a single system. Deployment environments represent the different stages where the software is deployed and tested. Development environments are used for initial testing and feature integration. Staging environments closely resemble production and are used for final testing and validation before release. Production environments serve live users and host the final version of the application. GitLab also supports custom environments, such as review apps, which are temporary spaces for testing specific changes before merging them. A typical GitLab CI workflow consists of 3 stages: build, test, and deploy. The build stage compiles the application using commands like make build. The test stage runs automated tests, and it depends on the build stage completing successfully. The deploy stage pushes the application to its destination and depends on successful completion of tests. This dependency management ensures that stages run in the correct order, preventing errors from earlier phases from being deployed. Interview questions on GitLab CI often focus on understanding the .gitlab-ci.yml file and its purpose in pipeline configuration. Candidates are asked about how runners function and the different types available. Questions also cover artifacts and caching, which relate to storing and reusing files between jobs. Managing environment variables securely and explaining the differences between jobs, stages, and pipelines are common topics to test a candidate's practical knowledge. Preparation for a GitLab-ci interview includes understanding core concepts such as pipelines, jobs, runners, and stages. It is important to know how to write and organize the .gitlab-ci.yml file effectively. Familiarity with common continuous integration and continuous deployment workflows is essential. Reviewing how environment variables, artifacts, and caching work in GitLab-ci will be helpful. It is also beneficial to be ready to discuss your personal experience implementing CI and CD pipelines. Artifacts in GitLab-ci are files produced by jobs that can be passed to subsequent jobs or downloaded later. Artifacts have specific paths and can expire after a certain time, like 1 week. Caching improves pipeline efficiency by storing dependencies such as node modules for reuse across jobs. Conditional execution enables jobs to run only under specified conditions, such as deploying only on the main branch. Jobs can also be set to run manually when triggered by a developer, offering control over deployment. GitLab-ci combines pipelines, runners, stages, and deployment environments into a unified DevOps process. Mastering its core concepts is key to success in interviews and practical use. Writing the .gitlab-ci.yml configuration and managing pipelines efficiently will enhance software delivery. Using GitLab-ci automates testing and deployment, allowing teams to focus more on development and less on manual tasks. Proper understanding and practice ensure smooth integration of continuous integration and continuous deployment workflows.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.